Welcome to the Therapy Nutrition channel that helps you live a better life at every age. If you are feeling bloated, fatigued, losing appetite, or like something just feels off in your body, there are many symptoms indicating you might be dealing with parasites. And no, it's not as rare as you think. In this video, I'll share powerful, natural remedies that help prevent and gently eliminate parasites effectively. These are safe and easy to integrate into your routine. Let's help your body reset and thrive naturally. Black walnut. Black walnut is one of the most well-known anti-parasitic herbs. It contains compounds like juglone that kill parasites and their eggs, especially in the intestines. Mostly used as a tincture, often in combination with other herbs such as wormwood and cloves. Take it on an empty stomach for better absorption. Next is wormwood. It has a bitter taste, but it is incredibly effective. Wormwood helps paralyze and kill intestinal worms, especially tapeworms, roundworms, and pinworms. It's usually taken in very small doses as tea or a capsule. Be cautious. Avoid during pregnancy or while breastfeeding, and follow the dosage from a professional herbalist and the product's information labeling. Garlic is nature's antibiotic. It's antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-parasitic. Its active compound, allicin, helps kill harmful organisms in the gut. If you suspect to have parasites, eat 1 to 2 raw cloves daily. To help the allicin compound to release, crush and let the garlic rest for 10 minutes before consuming. You can add them raw in small pieces to your meals, or take them with honey to mellow the flavor. Cloves. This wonderful spice works effectively by killing parasite eggs, making it a crucial part of any cleanse, and helps reduce inflammation in the gut. If you don't like the taste, use clove powder in capsules or brew it as a tea with cinnamon and ginger. It's especially effective when used with black walnut and wormwood, what is often called the anti-parasite trio. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain cucurbitacin, a compound that paralyzes worms and allows your body to flush them out. Eat 1/4 to 1/2 cup of raw organic pumpkin seeds on an empty stomach. They're great in smoothies, on your salad, or just as a snack. Papaya seeds. This fruit's seeds are rich in enzymes like papain, which help break down the protein compound in parasite and their eggs. You can buy the powders directly, but it's better to find the whole seeds and blend 1 tablespoon of fresh seeds and add them into your smoothie. Take daily for 5 to 7 days, then take a break by reducing to 1 or 2 times the next 2 weeks. In general, during your cleansing period, follow these actions. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins. Add fiber, like chia seeds or flax, to help sweep parasites out. Support your liver with milk thistle or dandelion root. Avoid sugar. Parasites thrive on it. Parasites can disrupt everything from your digestion to your mood. These natural remedies can help you eliminate them and feel lighter, clearer, and more energized without harsh chemicals. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried a parasite cleanse and what worked for you. Until next time, stay healthy.